Hello, everyone. Right, basically, this is Code Academy. I basically wanted to do coding for many years. Since getting out of uni, I've not really improved on myself. I just want to learn something new, really. So Code Academy, you have loads of different things. I recognize HTML. I don't really recognize most of the stuff, but recommended Python to start with because Python's the easiest. So a lot of this stuff is free, so I've done free. A lot of it is paid, which is a bit annoying. So I'm going to learn Python 2. It's 17 hours to complete, which is a bit nuts. Let's assume course. Okay. I was just making sure it was working. Right. Hello world. If programming is the act of teaching a computer to have a conversation with a user, it could be most useful to first teach the computer how to speak. In Python, this is completion with a print statement. Okay. Print hello world. Print, okay. So it's the easiest way to get your Python program to communicate with you. Being able to communicate, commandless communication will be, okay, that's fine. So, using a print statement, output a message you're choosing to a terminal. So I will say, let's just stick with hello world, okay? Okay. Using a print statement, output a message you're choosing to a terminal. Okay. um, did you print a word? What? I'm so confused. Right, I'm just trying to copy this. Did you print a word? What do you mean? So what the fuck? So do I have to copy this as well? Okay, so print that. So we're going to print what? Okay, let's get ahead. I'm stuck. Print the message by typing print. Oh, okay. So I need to say print. Right, so print. Right, okay. So I need to write print. Jesus Christ, I'm thick. I can see why I didn't do this in school. Jesus Christ. It's going to take a while. So I need to print, okay? Okay, so make sure with the print statement. So if I say print, how are you? That should be a question, right? Yeah, so I'm just saying, how are you? Okay, cool. That's quite simple, I guess. Okay, so next. Like I was giving me a minute. Yeah, I'm not going to do that, am I? There are two different Python versions, both 2 and 3 are used throughout the globe. Most significant difference, the two is how you write a print statement. Well, I'm doing Python 2. Has Python-nesses. What the fuck? What? Okay, so print that. Okay, so that makes sense, I guess. Okay, it did take a minute. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so since I'm using 2, I don't have these bits. Okay. The reason I'm doing this as well, by the way, streaming this as well, is people are smart. They'll help me because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Right, let me have a look. See, strings. Oh, for God's sake, it's gonna hurt my brain in that. When printing things in Python, we start applying the text Flutter will want to be printed. Text in Python is considered a specific type of data called a string. Strings are named as series of letters, numbers, or symbols connected in order as if threaded together by strings. Strings can be defined in different ways. So print, this is a good string. Can single quotes or double quotes a string. Okay, but we have printed two things which are strings that are attempted to print two things that are not strings. When double quotes and single quotes are both acceptable to define a string. Okay, I understand that, that's fine. We can combine multiple strings using... Okay. Try adding... Okay, so this code will print out, this is a good string. Try adding your name to the print statement with the... Okay, so print. We want to do that. So... Hello plus Chris. Crap, okay. So, hello Chris, is that right? Let me try that. Okay, no, right. Okay, I'm stupid, aren't I? Try adding name to the print statement with... I'm gonna get a hint. I've done that. Hello. I'm not being silly, right? Print hello plus Chris. I'm not sure why that's not is coming up there. Well, it does say hello Chris, that's fine. It should be hello your name. That should be right? I mean, there's no gap, so... Let me try... 1. No. No. Okay. Interesting. Well, it does say hello Chris, so that's... Okay. I can't go next. Yeah, for God's sakes. Hello plus Chris. Did you have a... There's a space between hello and your name. There is a space. Hold on. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so now there's a gap. Did you add your name to the printer? I'm so confused. I've done what it asked. Like, what does it want me to do? How do I copy it then? Okay. I'm not sure if I'm being I'm an absolute idiot here. I don't understand this. So I've done that. So print hello. We run hello. That's fine. So now we need to add Chris. Let's just put Christopher. So it doesn't like my name Chris. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, so clearly I need a longer name. Cool. Right. Understandable, sort of. Not really. Okay, so handling errors. As we get more familiar with Python programming language, we run into errors and exceptions. These are complaints that Python makes when it doesn't understand what it wants to do. Like last time, everyone runs into these issues, so it's a good habit to read and understand them. Here are some common errors that we might try to run when printing strings. Okay, so print mismatch quotes for causes syntax error, where are quotes cause the name error. So I need quotes. Okay, that's fine. If the quotes are mismatched, Python will notice and inform you of the code. Yeah. Okay, so all I need to do is do that. Oh my fucking god. Oh, why am I learning coding? I thought this was going to be easy. My head absolutely hurts. Why? I'm so confused. How do you make a hot dog stand? You take away its chair. That. Yay! Okay, so yeah. Jesus Christ, this is... Okay, this is actually hurting my head. Like, holy hell. My brain's gonna explode. It's fine. Okay, so I understand there has to be both. Okay, that's fine. Right. Variables. Okay, this is gonna be fun. In Python, with programming in general, we need to build a system to deal with data that changes over time. That data could be the location of a plane, or the time of day, or television you're trying to watching. The only point is that it's made different at different times. These variables define things that are subject to change. Okay, so greeting message, that's fine. So a variable is greeting message, and equal to the strings welcome to code and canary. It's also defined a variable called current exercise. Okay. Okay, create a variable. I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm so dumb. Okay, right. So it's a greeting message. Let's just say that. That's gonna equal today's date. Okay, then current exercise equals, what's the date? The 30th. Okay, 30th of